Page 65, the Lonesome Pine. Another A2, this time in broken chords. And you're moving all over the place. Let's look at this very carefully. I'm going to have to take both ends at the same time because it just goes back and forth. 3/4 time, 1 flat. Are we in F major or D minor? Well, look at the end. The last, few majors, 4 majors. What is this? That's an F chord. I'm guessing we're in F major. At the beginning, left hand starting way down here. And I'm assuming you know the names of these notes by now. If you don't know the names of these notes, you need to go back and start the book again and go through the book again slowly and learn the names of the notes. You just forget the rhythm, just play the note and say the name of it on each of these, on everything. And go through the videos again, wouldn't hurt that. So we're down here to start, and the right hand is an A, that's an A, and then, so you're not in a 5-finger position, you can forget that, it's just here. Here, they're all quarter notes, and then a D flat. You can use second finger if you like. G sharp, or you can use second finger if your hand's big enough. Now the left hand has to come up here, and the right hand comes here. Now we're moving around, and as the beat goes on, it's got to be steady. So the last 2 measures of the first line go here. Connect them, everything's connected. And then we come down here, you got a couple beats rest, you come down. Then an A flat, you can use second finger if you want, that's fine. And again, third line, the left hand's got to come up here, that's a G, and the right hand here. So you're moving again, so the last measure of the third line is here, going on. Here. And then a couple beats rest, and you come down here. This is like it was at the beginning, but instead of down here, we're here. And again, watch out, you gotta move. It's an A and an F there. Then you come down here, bass clef now in the bottom here. I didn't tell you that we had gone to treble clef in the 4th line down, the second measure here, treble clef. I didn't point that out. I'm hoping you'd see it. But now you go back to bass clef down here. Now the different notes. Last one, the left hand goes over, and you got a treble clef again, play the F, here. So you're moving around quite a bit, and they're all quarter notes pretty much, so that shouldn't be a problem. And then just connect everything according to what they're telling you to. Now, you can lift up between these slurs. You have to lift up for the rest, so that's built in. It's just, I don't know that I like the splits for the slurs like that. But they put them in, so that's what we'll do, I guess. And that's the phrasing or the slurring, so you connect them. And dynamics they don't give you. Let's start out soft, whatever that is. Both hands are the same now, because both hands are sharing the melody. You go up a little bit to sort of soft, and you're staying sort of soft pretty much for the rest of it. I would recommend you get to know the piece and then vary this dynamic a little as you feel it. Experiment with it at different times and see what your imagination can come up with. You never get really loud. It's not within the style of this piece. This is a gentle piece. Lonesome Pine out there, whatever that means. It's just here. And the speed, they don't give you a speed. Molto legato has nothing to do with speed. Molto legato, actually those words in my opinion belong between the stems. Molto is a whole lot and legato is connected. Very connected. Let's do a play with me slowly, just to double check. Now you're moving around a lot, so you're going to have to look down occasionally, but not a lot. I mean, once you kind of get this, you should be able to do all of this first phrase without looking down. You don't have to move until the end of it here. When you have to move your left hand up and your right hand, that you might have to move down or look down for that. So occasionally you gotta look down when you're moving, but otherwise you don't look down all the time. I'll give us 3 counts. Let's play this slowly together. 1, ready, go. Two, three, 1, 2, 3. Tie, rest, rest. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3, 1, rest, rest.